Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and doing good at your sides. In our maths lecture we will discuss about numbers and operation in our unit number 1. What are numbers? Numbers comes up with certain digits. We have certain digits that make up a number. And what are the digits? We have 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 10 digits. These digits comes up to some numbers. So every digit has a certain place, alright, and that certain place is considered as a place of unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. These are all the places for the numbers. So we will discuss about the places of numbers. First of all, let's suppose we have a number 196347561. So we will start with places. First of all, we have a place unit: tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion. So we will start from the right side, and from the right side we have the first number, which is 1. We will place the number in front of its respective place. By placing them, we will get unit 1, 100, 2, tens 2, 100 6, 1000 5, 10,000 7, 100,000 4, 3 million, 6 10 million, 9 100 million, and 1 billion. So we will read it as 1 billion. 9 comes with 100 place. 1 billion 963 million. These end with million. We will start with 963 million. 475,000. 621. We will answer it with the first place, the last place, and with the first place. 963 million. Alright, 963 million 475,000. Alright, 1 billion 963 million 475,000. Alright, on page number 3 we are given with an example: write the following numbers in words. So you have to write the exercise 1 and solve all these questions by writing all the numbers in words. Alright, first I have completing for you. You have to complete the rest of parts. Alright, from page number 3 I took first part of exercise 1, pages 410, 138 and 700. First of all, we have to write all the places. You can write all the places in your rough side, so the answer will be written on the left side. Alright, so first place is considered as unit place. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So I write all the places. 0 will be unit, next 0 will be tens, 700, 8,000, 3, 10,000, 100,000, 0 million, 1 10 million, 4 100 million. Alright, so we will write it as, you have to start it from last number. We have 4 and the place is 100 million, so we will write it as 410 million. Alright, 410 million. 410 million, 410 million, 138,000, 38,000, and in last we have 700 and 700. Understand? You have to solve the rest parts B, C, D, E and F by yourself. Alright, so moving towards our next example. Insert commas according to the international place value system. We have a number and we have to insert commas. Alright, so the rule for inserting commas are related with the places. Alright, we have to consider the place which we have 1, 2, 6, 5, 7, 4, 3, 6, 9 and 1. First of all, we will write the number over there. We have first group of unit, tens and hundred. Second group of thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Third group of million, 10 million and 100 million. And last group of billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. For inserting commas, we have to separate the groups. We have the first groups unit, 10, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million, comma. Alright, you have to separate the groups. Just keep it in your mind that you have to only separate the groups. Unit, 10 and 100 gives our first group. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 or second group. Million, 10 million and 100 million or third group. And in our last group we have just billion, so we will place comma after 1, comma after 3, 5 and we have done with it. Alright, you have to complete the rest of the examples by yourself. Thank you, students.